If there were a place where all the laws of physics melt away, where light cannot escape, and where time itself might stop, that place would be a black hole. But what would really happen if you fell into one, not in theory, but for real? Would you survive? Or would you step through the door of an entirely different universe? In the oceanic night of the cosmos, where billions of stars blaze and fade like the dying breaths of time, there exist silent yet destructive entities, monsters that consume even light black holes. They are not mere still voids in the sky. They are extreme zones of space where nothing escapes, no matter survives intact, and where time itself might completely halt. In today's video, we're diving deep into humanity's most chilling hypothetical. What really happens if you fall into a black hole? We won't just talk about gravity. We'll touch the deepest questions about death, life, and the true nature of the universe. In the infinite expanse of space where the light of billions of stars appears as mere specks against an endless darkness, there exists one of the most mysterious phenomena ever known to humankind: the black hole. It is not merely a hole in the fabric of the cosmos, but the terrifying remnant of a massive star that has collapsed under the weight of its own gravity. When a star can no longer produce the energy needed to resist gravitational pull, it implodes, creating a region of space where the very laws of physics begin to fracture. Imagine this: if you were suddenly pulled toward a black hole, your body would immediately feel the immense difference in gravitational force between your head and your feet, a phenomenon physicists call spaghettification. It's a grotesque stretching effect where your body elongates vertically as the part closer to the black hole is pulled far more strongly than the rest. As you approach the event horizon, that strange boundary from which nothing can return, your perception of time would distort. To you, it would feel as if everything slowed down like a film playing in perfect slow motion. But to the outside world, you would vanish almost instantly. Beyond that point, space and time twist and warp. You'd witness light-bending images, repeating like mirrors, reflecting echoes of your past self. Once you cross that threshold, you're not simply falling, you are passing through a door with no return. Inside a black hole, the physics we know no longer seem to function. Some theories suggest you might fall into a parallel universe, or even traverse a wormhole to a distant part of the cosmos. But all of it remains speculation, because no one has ever returned to tell the tale. And it is that very silence that gives rise to fear. A black hole does not only consume light, it consumes answers. Scientists continue to debate whether matter and information that fall into a black hole are lost forever, or if at the quantum level, some mysterious mechanism preserves that information. Solving this question could redefine everything we know about time-space and even life itself. Some bold theories propose that within a black hole might exist an exit, a white hole where matter is expelled back into the universe. But no one has ever confirmed this. Because if any intelligent being had fallen into a black hole, it would have been torn apart by unseen forces and erased from this world. No sound, no light, only eternal isolation in a nameless dimension. When we think about black holes, we're not just discussing astronomy, we're confronting a philosophical symbol of death and eternity. It raises the question, if we fall in, do we cease to exist entirely? Or are we reborn somewhere else, in ways science cannot yet describe? Could something beyond imagination exist behind that veil of darkness? A door to the next life? In the end, a black hole is not merely a void among the stars. It is a testament to the limits of human understanding. It is the ultimate boundary of knowledge, a mirror reflecting our own fragility and smallness in the vastness of the cosmos. Each time we gaze into those mysterious dark spots across the galaxy, we are also peering into the deepest questions of our existence. Who are we? Where did we come from, and what awaits us? Beyond the dark, we may never know exactly what happens inside a black hole. But perhaps that's what makes it so beautiful. like an eternal question the universe poses to the intellect of humankind. And who knows? In that absolute silence, it may not be an end at all, but an invitation to a different kind of beginning, one that lies beyond every limit we once believed unbreakable. So next time you look up at the night sky, don't just admire the stars. Let your mind drift into the darkness and ask yourself, could the other side of the unseen be the very place where we finally understand who we truly are? If this video brought you something new or made you think, please like, share, and leave a comment. Who knows, you might be the one to propose the boldest theory science has been waiting for.